First step, download Coinbase wallet. Once you download Coinbase wallet, you need to install SubWallet. This is a multi-chain wallet. Once you get it, you need to send VARA tokens from your Coinbase wallet to SubWallet. Your VARA address. So once you go inside SubWallet, select non-EVM account, search for VARA, and then copy the address. Click on My Asset tab, select VARA token, try to send minimum of 15 VARA tokens, and then go back into your SubWallet and start mint NFT. Once you mint NFT, it will be $15 worth of VARA token. Complete this task. If you like this, please click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.